MarketerBrowser just got a game-changing upgrade. The brand new interface, enhanced automation, and upgraded anti-detect tech make managing multiple accounts across platforms smoother, safer, and virtually undetectable. Now, whether you're managing thousands of social media accounts, analyzing e-commerce competitors, or protecting your crypto portfolios, you can do it all with greater speed and less risk. Let's dive in. Open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the new MarketerBrowser. Locate the userint file in your old versions folder. Copy it into the new folder to transfer your serial number. Next, launch MarketerBrowser. Click the arrow on the top bar next to Create Profile. Select the path of the old version, and the software will automatically transfer all browser profiles to the new one. Because the browser kernel has been upgraded, your user agent information may differ from before. Our software will automatically generate the most suitable and safe UA for each of your profiles. If you'd rather stick with the old version, you can still choose v127. MarketerBrowser has always been powerful, and that's why you chose it. But this new version takes everything further. Download the new MarketerBrowser today and stay ahead of the competition.